Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1034th installment of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and that would be me. Traders, welcome. This video is being filmed on Thursday night for Trading Friday. That would be June 14th, 2013. Traders, before we go forward, we know that futures trading is extremely risky. If you don't know that, you should. Futures trading can absolutely cost you all the money you ever dreamed of owning. If you do not use stops, you can easily be wiped out, and futures trading is not suitable for all trading accounts. But for you cowboys that like this game, rock and roll, let's get right into this video. What are we going to see? Traders, I'm going to be quick tonight. For trading on Friday, we have had a really volatile session lately. Look at how the transportation average has been up and down and up and down and up and down. But wonderfully, as of Thursday, it rallied all the way back up and got back into this major blue trend channel, major trend line. So we're back into the major parallel channel. We have formed what looks like an inverted head and shoulders. The inverted head and shoulders is bullish and does look like it materialized here. Traders, look, let me darken in these circles. 1, 2, 3. Now, if this is truly an inverted head and shoulders, which it looks like to me, let me just move this upright head and shoulders out of the way for a moment. If this truly is an inverted head and shoulders, which makes it bullish, it makes perfect sense because we just got back into this blue channel. And if you move this head and shoulders away for a moment, we came down and hit OTAPMA, OMNI Trading Academy's proprietary moving average. We hit OTAPMA and took off. Since then, we backpedaled a little and got back into the blue parallel channel, again, making this an inverted head and shoulders. And if you ask me, an inverted head and shoulders right here is a really pretty sign. That should be buoyant for us. So we've seen that we've had these smaller head and shoulders, right? A head and shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. And we had another one, shoulder, head, shoulder, and another one. You'll notice that the shoulder, head, shoulder takes us down to about the blue parallel channel. Shoulder, head, shoulder, down to about the blue parallel channel. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and it takes us down to the blue parallel channel and goes 2 days underneath and comes right back into it. So far, so good, and I like the fact that we got strong on Thursday. After hitting OTAPMA and rallying up, getting back into the blue channel right here, I believe that we have a nice bullish Friday coming. We shall see. Now, traders, on the opposite side of the U.S. stock indices would be the gold market. Traders, look at the gold. This gold daily bar chart looks fantastic. Look at this. It came off into the form of a bear flag, rolled out of the bear flag, went down into another bearish flag, which just took place this week and is bearish as of trading Thursday night for Friday. This date that the video is for. So that looks promising for the downside. Bearish flags, as you know, usually produce down moves. We have a bear flag. We would absolutely be expecting the market to come off now. Traders, if you've looked at the gold market, a series of bear flags has sunk this market time after time. A bear flag right here forms and the market sinks. Another bear flag right here forms and the market sinks. It's been happening all the way down. I think it will just continue all the way through. Even here, massive but still a big bear flag forms here, and then the market tanks. Big bear flag. Another bear flag in red, another one in yellow. I think the gold is in some trouble. And if you want to see a really well-defined bear flag for short-term day trading, let's look at silver. Traders, here's your silver, and silver looks ripe for a sell-off. This is your daily bar. Look at how it stayed below this blue line for quite some time, and now it's created a bear flag, and inside that bear flag, it looks like it's hit up, down, enough times now to finally be a little bit tired and want to start to move down. That's what we would be expecting, a really well-defined bear flag in the silver. Silver looks ripe for a sell-off. Gold looks ripe for a sell-off. And the Dow Jones Transportation Average looks like it's ready to take off once again. That whole scenario does make sense. Traders, I hope this helps you stay in tune for where markets are going to go on Friday. Over this weekend, I have plans to do what's called the weekend webinar, a very comprehensive video. In this video, I am going to show you that there is a setup taking place for the Fed meeting next week, a setup where markets are moving almost counter the way they should move just to get to the Fed day, and then they will turn around and go in the opposite direction. I will try to illustrate that for you in my weekend webinar. Stay tuned. Traders, thank you so much for coming to these classes. Come on down to livewithoscar.com. I offer trading recommendations at livewithoscar.com. I'd be more than happy to give you those specific trade recommendations every day as I give out to the rest of my OMNIacs. Traders, remember, this is a game that you've got to keep your emotions at bay. You got to keep your wits about you, and you must be professional. Always stay with the professional attitude and always use your discipline. One of the best things I can do to help you out with that is to tell you to say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Video number 1034. And right back into the saddle we go with the leader, Dow Jones Transportation Average. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.